Hello sir, good morning. This is Michael Shumi. Okay, what do you want to apply a company? To improve skills and knowledge and to grow this company. Can you tell me about yourself? I am just Philip Isabel. I'm 21 years old and I live in San Pablo City, Laguna. And what your last job before after our company? In the last few months, I'm a call center agent. Okay. How do you make decisions under pressure? I always think positive to make a better decision and, and to handle a difficult situation. What are your strengths and weaknesses? My strengths is my family because they are always there for me. And my weaknesses is that I tend to be shy when talking to people, especially in more large groups. Thank you. Because of